Lasernet is extremely versatile, if that has to be the short answer, because it goes in and just helps in so many areas, like document customization, document automation. It can integrate with so many different ERP system, business systems. There's almost none that we don't work with, I think. And the workflow optimization is crazy. So you can streamline the document processes. That also really helps. And of course, there's always the compliance and the reporting. Compliance is a big issue since GDPR and all these other rules that are here. And just Lasernet can ensure that the project documents comply with every industry standard there is and regulation requirements. So that's a huge plus as well. There's a multi-channel output that you're not necessarily just focused on one track. You can put your output in so many different files and outputs that it's mind-boggling. Actually, it gets a little bit too confused sometimes. Of course, there's always that we have this archiving functionality as well. So you can always go in and see what you have archived. That's some of like a lot of the customers are really into that feature. It's easy to create new non-standard reports, especially non-standard SSRS reports through Lasernet, because we have the query function where we just do our own queries and build XML structure as we want, exactly as the customer wants. The document solutions we have are extremely comprehensive. So there's so much to choose from, and by integrating those into the various ERP systems, Lasernet can just provide all the document management solutions there is needed. And it's not just for documentation, it's also for like labeling and sending electronic invoices and so much more. And of course, because it's the ability to integrate into multi ERP systems is so wide and large, we have, as I said, a huge client base, and that's also a huge plus for the business. And that actually gives us the competitive advantage that we have, which is we can work with everyone and anyone, and the quality that's been given is always satisfactory. So the best example is to specify the expertise and the consultation of the consultants here in Tabellae, because we have been the leading experts in the area for at least 12 years now, and we are the biggest Lasernet house, I believe, in the world. And when you work like that and you work with a company culture where knowledge sharing is highly valued and highly exercised as well, the expertise among the colleagues is just phenomenal. I even ask, some of my colleagues have been here for like 10 years, 15 years, but even they are puzzled by some of the problems that we meet from day to day, because it's always something new. But because we have so many consultants, it's easier to get help, and in that way, I think that's the biggest advantage that we have. And because we also create this industry-specific solutions where our standard package tries to hit as many industries as possible. Again, there is the integration with multiple ERPs, there's the scalability and the flexibility of the solution that also work in our advantage. And also here, we don't have any issue with complying the customer's order, even if it's 1,500 hours that has to be delivered within a month too. We just put more consultants on it because there are so many of them.